How to install Blender? Well, it's not that hard. I mean, installing Blender is easy. Since it's free and open source, all you have to do is go to blender.org/download and select the file format you want. By default, the download button will give you a .msi file, which is an installer. This works like any other software install wizard or what have you, and will usually add a desktop shortcut for you and everything. And that's pretty good already. But if you're a more advanced user, you might prefer zip files, which you can extract and then run the blender.exe file directly from the folder. This not only allows you to run several different versions of Blender separately, but also you can put Blender on a thumb drive and carry it with you to run on any computer. And I even know some PC gamers who prefer installing it via Steam, which makes it easy to keep Blender up to date. The choice is up to you. I personally recommend the default option though if you're not sure. Keep in mind that these options I mentioned are technically for Windows, but Blender also provides options for Mac and Linux. As for what version of Blender to use, for this course we'll be using Blender 2.83. It's possible that you might be downloading Blender at a point where this version number is a higher number than 2.83. This just means that they updated Blender, which they do quite often, and most of the time using the most recent version is fine. But if you run into any issues or want to avoid running into issues, feel free to go to Previous Versions and then click Download under All Previous Versions. On this page, every previous version of Blender should be available for download for free, including Blender 2.83. I personally recommend 2.83 if you're watching this anytime before 2022, as 2.83 has what's called long-term support. This means the team at Blender is dedicated to keeping the version stable for productions, even as they release newer versions. Overall, it should have less bugs and crashes. If you're not sure what version to download for long-term support, you can also click the Long-Term Support tab here, which lists download links for the most recent 2.83 release. So once you have Blender downloaded and installed, let's go ahead and open it. Once you do, you should probably see something like this. And in the next module, we'll be talking about how to understand the interface and how to navigate Blender.